This is Bob Rakes with highlights of issue 99 of the 8K Association Monitor newsletter. 8K Association Director Mike Fiedler updated delegates at the 4K HDR Summit in Malaga, Spain, on the progress in 8K. He acknowledged the headwinds as 8K, like the rest of the premium TV market, suffers from the COVID hangover. Since COVID, consumers around the world have been spending on travel and entertainment rather than new TVs, as many had upgraded their home tech during the pandemic. However, he also highlighted the big boost in the ecosystem for 8K production and delivery, and the recent comments by respected TV reviewer John Archer that 8K TVs deliver a better experience even when showing lower resolution content. At the 4K HDR Summit in Malaga, Spain, a number of content creators highlighted the developments around the world in 8K content creation. Olivier Chiabodo of The Explorers highlighted the benefits of working in 8K 120Hz format for capture, even when the output is likely to be 4K at up to 120Hz. He also said that there was a plan to build 1,000 large 8K LED displays in China in 100 major cities. The supply chain has been developing in that country, and new cameras are being developed in China that will compete with established Western brands, he believes, at lower prices. Cinemedia talked about compression, and Paul Gray of Omdia explained other opportunities in 8K, including the need for 8K in VR headsets. We summarised the talks from content creators at the event. AMD organised an online webinar with executives from Megapixel VR, compression specialist Intopix and Red. Uday Mathur, CTO of Red, gave a great summary of the benefits of using 8K for content capture. He highlighted the advantages in stabilisation of images in post-production when you have 8K content to start with, and this is a topic we plan to take a deeper dive into in the future. Megapixel VR has developed systems that can support 8K in huge LED public displays for entertainment locations and events. There are real advantages to using 8K in reducing potential failure points. Meanwhile, Intopix has codecs for those that don't want to use codecs, and these are enabling higher resolution bit depths and frame rate streams to be transported and stored more easily. We summarised the webinar. We went behind the scenes with Paul Breen from the Sphere, the amazing new mega display in Las Vegas. He gave us a sense of the challenges from going even beyond 8K. The Sphere has 5 times as many pixels as an 8K TV. Having developed a stunning new facility, he told us of new ways that he thinks the location and technology can be exploited by using its facility to show live as well as pre-rendered content. Fascinating stuff. Intel is expected to formally launch its Meteor Lake notebook processors this week, with a large number of PC vendors expected to make related announcements. However, the firm had already previewed the significant technical breakthroughs in the processors, and we take a deeper dive into those. The new processors are able to play back 8K 60p in notebook systems when just a few years ago it took high-end multi-core workstations to do this. Join us in our deeper dive into Intel's new tiled architecture, which can also enable long playback of a video using very low power. This is Bob Rakes with highlights of issue 99 of the 8K Association Monitor newsletter.